Hey everyone, welcome back to the PC Pal, where we simplify tech and help you unlock the full potential of your devices. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a changeable icon for the powerful God Mode feature in Windows 11. Let's dive right in. Normally God Mode, you can't see the icon's name or change the image. If you wish to rename, change icon image, or move folder location, use this method. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop. Go to New Shortcut and rename the shortcut this following string. And then click Finish. The folder's icon will change to a File Explorer-like icon. Now you've created a God Mode changeable icon. And also, if you wish to rename, now you can do it. The default God Mode folder has a generic icon. But what if you want something cooler, like a superhero logo or a gear icon? Here's how to make it changeable. Right-click on the God Mode folder and select Properties. Switch to the Customize tab and click Change Icon. From here, you can pick an icon from the default library or upload your custom icon file and choose a custom icon to make it stand out. If you want to use a custom icon, you'll need an icon file. You can find these online or convert your own images into icon format using free tools. Once you have the file, click Browse in the Change Icon window and navigate to your icon. Hit OK, then Apply. Your God Mode now has a fresh new look. And there you have it, a fully customized God Mode folder in Windows 11. Now, not only do you have quick access to all your system settings, but it also looks awesome on your desktop. Let me know in the comments what icon you chose for your God Mode. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the PC Pal for more tips, tricks, and tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.